Hey y'all, it's Sabrina. I wanted to come on and do a quick video to show you a hack that will help extend the life of your shoes. So I wanted to show you this shoe, which is a beautiful Paul Andrews shoe that I picked up from a sample sale. Make sure you check out my video where I did the haul from that sample sale. But as you can see, I just got the shoe. I didn't get a box. I didn't get any stuffing or anything. So I have a couple hacks that help for the boxes. I did a separate video on that. Check that out too. But here I wanted to show you the stuffing. So the reason why I like to stuff my shoe is because it helps protect the shape and therefore extend the life. There's nothing worse than having a shoe where the fabric, especially if it's leather, is all crunched up and just looks aged prematurely with scratches and dings and what have you. So one way to avoid that is to just create your own stuffing, and there's so many easy ways to do it. The first is you can use tissue paper that you just get along the way. I went to yet another sample sale and they wrapped my items in tissue paper. And instead of throwing it away, I just find wayward shoes that don't have any, and I use that to just ball it up and stuff it in. And voila. If you don't have tissue paper handy, there's so many other things that you can use. I'm trying to move away from plastic, but as it stands, my groceries still get delivered and my produce still gets delivered in plastic. So what I'll do, I try to recycle these as much as possible, and this is one of the ways that I can recycle them. Just take the plastic bag and stuff it. Use that as stuffing. Another idea for you is if you, like me, you order from Amazon probably every day. It's a bit excessive, but sorry for the loud rustling here. You get this brown paper stuffing. You can use this as well. Tear it up, cut it up, and create your stuffing. Another potential idea, these bags, little paper bags, got these at a sample sale. I could use them for a bunch of other things, like, you know, when my dog goes to daycare, I may tote his food in here, or I could re-gift these, but as you can see, they're a little and not really in the best of shape. So what can I do? Cut them up, ball them up, and create my stuffing. So you can get really creative with it without having to spend any extra money. It's not something that you should go out and pay money for stuffing for. There's so many other ways to do it, just from household items that are sitting around that you can essentially recycle without having to discard them. So again, just look around your house and get creative, and really take the time to do this, because it really does help to keep your shoes in good condition and extend the life. You work hard for your money. You want to buy nice things and have them last. That's super important. So find free ways around your house to do that. Find you some stuffing and get to stuffing. All right. Hope that you enjoyed that hack. Thank you for watching. Feel free to share with friends, family members, loved ones, neighbors, etc. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you have any other hacks or suggestions, let me know. Last but not least, I mentioned earlier I did another hack video around how to box shoes that you get that don't have boxes. So make sure you watch that video as well, and I'll make sure to link to it here. All right, toodles. Until next time. Bye.